What you? Good morning, guys.
Very good morning, ma'am.
As today is Tuesday, special for teaching day, so I'm going to teach you today what one learning app. As we know that we don't need to this time we all are bigger students. We don't need any app, but when it's come to we if we don't have any friend or any one to conversation with us that as sir always say that you have if you have friends so you can conversation with him or debate or talk with him for practice. So I have one app for you for all of you if you want to try it, so you can try it. You can say its name is Duolingo. If you someone want to ask me that, ask me after my teaching that what's the mean of it. So I don't know what the mean of Duolingo. So I say it first because I search it, but I never found what the exact mean of it. So I will tell you this is the learning app. It in this app you can there 40 plus languages are available in this app. Means any type of language you can learn freely in this app. And if you don't have a time to give for your studies, so you can give only 15 or 20 minutes in this app. You can see that this app is totally made with the computerized. You can say it's the computerized. You can when you are learn with this app, so you can see that you can improve your vocabularies, your skills, and your speaking power. Because when you are study with this app, so you can see that it will count your grammar mistakes, because I also use it. And when I will not join when I'm not joining this Elixir Institute, that time I always play with this. I give him a 1 hour when I'm play with it, and I what I am speaking today, it is because of the practice. I do the practice with this app when I'm not joining this app. So now in this app you can see many type of languages, as you can learn any type of language, Korean, France, or Italian, Germany, any type of language you can try. But there is a one condition: if you choose the English language, so you must choose. He will ask you when you are logging in this app. If you choose this language that you want to learn English language, so he will must ask you that you must choose Hindi too, because if you are choosing English, so we know that very well. Without choosing Hindi, you can't learn English, because if you are learning English, so you must know what the exact mean of Hindi, English of Hindi. So, and second option, if you are going to log in this app, so he will ask you one question: which language you are choosing. As I will tell you that if you are choosing this language, so you can choose Hindi too. If the second question is that he will ask you that what's your level, he will ask you your level too. That if you have a you are novice in this app, so he will ask you that you can press the new. If you have a middle knowledge about English, and there's a third option also, that if you know the more knowledge about this app, I mean sorry, English, so you can choose the third language. If you have a more knowledge about the English, as you are a senior, we can say, if you are a senior English, you have know how to speak or how to conversation with other persons, so you can choose a fourth language. So it's up to you that what you choose in your level. And he will ask you the third question, that am I right, as a level like Ali will, right? I'm convinced. And the third option is there, that he will ask you why are you learning English? Is there any specific reason do you have that you are learning for your schools or for your college, for your business, for your traveling, or which type of you are choosing? There's the one option is the other, that I always when I choose this, so I always use this other language, that I have no option. I don't have any specific reason for learning with this app, so I choose other. So you have so many options to choose, that you want a preparation with this app by for your jobs or your schools or your traveling or your for your conversation. And there's a four option: when you are logging in this app, he will ask you where do you listen about this app. If you listen about social media or your friends or on TV or in any article, so you can choose anything what you where do you from. Actually I listen it by store app. So I listened. I see in store app. That's why at that time I log in and I use it. Actually, my sister is using this app and she is only one who is conversation and talking with me English at my home daily. So I glad that she study with this app. So I have done, guys. If you have any question, you can ask me.
Okay, ma'am. Did you?
You just wait for 2 minutes. You can just wait.
Yes, asking. Did you? Did you? What we can say? Uh, did you use this app?
Yes, I will.
When?
Sorry, I will need. I definitely use it. This app in future when I am not in joining the
In
Elixir
future, in
Institute
past.
in past. Sorry.
Then, if you are using this app, then why are you? Why you leave this app?
What leave? I don't
If
understand.
you are using this app in the past, then why are you? Why are you left this app?
Because it is enough for your if you are going to learn another language, because English is a very hard language, I can say it, and everyone's know because English is updating day by day. As we, if we are saying in our future that when we are someone meeting someone, that we are say hi, after updating we say hello, and we are now it is updating, so we can say other things. So there is it is also developing, but I think I'm not comfortable with this app, but I will suggest you because of the your you have, if you are a novice student, you don't know how to conversation with someone, so you can use it. But I didn't say that you, if you are a strong person, so you don't need to use it, I can say. I suggest you for your sisters. You can suggest your sisters or your brothers. As I, my sister is using this app right now. In this time, is using. She's
Okay, ma'am.
using this time. Thank you, Ramanaza, guys. Have you questions?
Yes, ma'am.
As I expect.
Yes, ma'am. Would you like to tell me as does it converse with us?
Yes, no, that you are to use things. It is you taking it. Take me wrong. That it conversation with you like this.
Yeah.
But when I'm saying that when you are when he asks you any question in Hindi, so you need to write in English. If you are not able to write, he will give you a other option that you need to speak that sentence with your language. If you are pronunciation is incorrect, any single word you are talking in wrong way, he will detect you that your pronunciation is wrong. So that time he said that your question is wrong.
What do you think about Google Assistant?
Google, what did you
Google
say?
Assistant. Which one is the best? As you are favoring this app.
Yeah.
So what do you think about Google Assistant?
Sorry, but I don't use that, and I didn't listen about this.
Okay. As a my one question is that as you were making, I mean, you were asking to us that my level spelling is right or wrong.
Yeah.
So it maybe
Because I have some
can't be correct
spelling.
by the Duolingo app.
Yes, it is correct. But I'm confusing right now. Not I know. I'm just confusing right now. But if you are choosing that time, there is a no level. It is already right in front of you. You just choose and you just press.
Maybe become a foreigner by this app.
No, I can't say it because as I before I say to Muskan ma'am that you, if you want to a higher education in English, so you need to do a higher education, and this is for the normal persons, middle person who can speak a little bit or who are not know that how to start English. I'd
Okay.
suggest them
Just it is depend on the speaking or the grammar
both.
language.
It's,
Both.
you can say it's fun also. You can play with the learning with play, because it is not a serious app. It is a like a
Joke
app
app.
for the.
Joke.
No, this is not a joke.
As you are saying, not serious.
No, I'm saying it is not a take that serious that you need to do something very seriously. It is a fun app that you can play with the learning with the play. This is a you. It is also taking your test. If you can't pass, you can't go uh, ahead.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Have a nice